Can you hear me, man?
Hey, traders. Welcome to episode 885 of the show. You could be doing anything, but you're here. Oh my god. And we've discovered this today. and it may not matter to a lot of people, but for some people it will. We have a big emphasis, or I guess we have a great deal of admiration for the eights, because it's like, Chinese luck and prosperity and all that. Well, episode 885. All right, we've got March 8th coming up, so 80s day. If I stream once at night, either tonight or tomorrow night, we will have the perfect storm of the eights all aligning. 80s day, the 8th of March, episode 888. I can't even believe it, man. It's so nice. So, anyway, yeah, not much action going on with crypto and Bitcoin today. I guess for good reason. People are freaking out everywhere across the world. The equities market and maybe the precious metals market. Bitcoin is still above that neckline of the structure that it broke out of yesterday. And just kind of flagging, kind of going sideways. You do really have that bearish divergence, right? But man, I mean, it's like almost like bullish consolidation, even with the divergence. So still, I don't know. I mean, if you don't hold 89.75, I mean, next target's probably 86.50. So that's kind of your lifeline area. That's kind of like the breaking point where you don't want to be messing with Bitcoin below 89.80, at least in the short term, because it could go much lower. But if it stays above this long enough, we could get a break above 91.50. We break above 91.50, we know the measured move of the structure is 9,500 or so. And that is from the highest point of the structure where the correction began to the low point, 50% retrace. Also, 200 moving average just happens to be perfectly aligned with where the measured move is. I don't know how, it just happens sometimes. Whatever. Yeah, okay, Dell. Yeah, I mean, I've got a graphics guy, but he's, he does projects for different things that are really advanced, and then my other graphics guy, he's gone. I don't even know. He's like, I don't think he wants to do graphics for me anymore or something. It was just, he shows up occasionally in the chat, but I mean, it's like, I can't get a response from him. I was like, hey man, could you do this? Ghosted. I get ghosted every time. So whatever. If you're good at graphics, you think you can do good stuff. I mean, I can pay money if you're actually really good, so let me know. I'm talking like, be serious, be like, oh yeah, do it for a living, or you're a pro, or you're really good, right? And we'll discuss it in the Discord. Okay, so that's Bitcoin. A lot of altcoins look interesting right now. But let's knock out the SP500 Dow Jones first, okay? Kind of interesting close like last Friday. Look at the 4-hour hammer. Look, a doji into a hammer, multiple rejection wicks to the downside, a high or low. I mean, what I'm thinking, maybe, if this is real, and it may just dump on Monday, it could be Black Monday. But that's not normally the price action you get before Black Mondays. And we're talking about X, A, B. Look, it's like a 78-80% retrace. And we're talking about C just happens to, or D happens to be a gap fill, 3,336. So whichever way you want to look at it, doesn't matter. Double top there. That would be very interesting. And, it would be kind of repeating a little bit of history. If we just go back not too far, you can see the same type of price action. I mean, a multitude of times where we could a lot up and down here, tons up and down. But eventually, right, it was just like X, A, B, C, D stuff, right? Or you could look at it like X, A, B, C, D stuff, right? I mean, it just kept going. So it's not like we haven't seen this before. So Monday will be very, very interesting. I can't wait. Even though I kind of can, because I mean, man, what an emotional week. When's the last time we had a week like this? Volatility, extreme. All right, so that's the idea. Now, what could happen All right, if it's not to just implode to the downside, if it does sell off, we'd be looking between a 113% retrace and a 1414 fib extension. Like, this could end up maybe being a cipher if worst came to worst, right? Where it could come down to 2736 before bouncing, and then the PCZ would be a 786, not an 886. But with the price action we got, it seems possible that that's a higher low, and the rally could start Monday and beyond, right? Cool. Anyone there? I'm feeling really rough, dude. After last night, kind of knew I was. Well, I knew it was gonna be. All right, so I think I got to 0.1 on the breathalyzer. Got a gift from Crypto Cocktail Chris. I'm gonna open too. Sent it to the PO box or whatever. So I asked him. He's like, "Yeah, dude, do it for sure." All right. Dow Jones, Industrial, same thing, right? XA, BCD. I mean, decent candles, right? Where if the rally starts, it would be a large wave to the upside, and the PCZ is going to be around the gap fill, 29K. Jobs numbers were, supposedly incredible. I don't know how they would be bad with the president fearing for his life and his legacy. Don't know how the numbers could have been bad, man. I'm just saying. So Larry Kudlow was on CNBC, I don't know, for a good 30, 45 minutes just talking about how good everything was, man. It's so good, man. With coronavirus, no problem, dude. Hair of the dog? Yeah, right, man. That's okay, Clive, man. Well, like, we seldom do night streams, really. So there's a VOD for it, though. It was fun. Sure is a good replay. Oh, did y'all hear about South by Southwest in Austin? That film festival or whatever canceled a few hours ago because of coronavirus. So the impact continues. More and more. Hey, what did we talk about yesterday? It's going to be worse tomorrow and the next day. Cases are going to continue to rise. We got another cruise ship where like 20 plus people are infected. It's not going to stop. Probably not anytime soon. 21 people aboard a cruise ship off the California coast tested positive for coronavirus connect. Wow. Again, just for the visual, for the record, Your Honor. XABC deconnect 886. What's up? Stage is set. Potential legendary rally, but we got to get some follow through. The gap didn't even fill. 26,098, 26,100 didn't fill today, but it's so close, leading you to believe, at least on Monday, you probably would fill that. Another gap, I mean, technically it's kind of at like 27,115. There are gaps to fill, man, and they're not far away. So it's like, if they're not far away, they're not breakaway gaps, they're everyday gaps that normally fill. So, all right. We will see. Look how this channel, it ran up, back tested it as resistance, and then dumped again. Interesting. All right, let's look at gold real quick, because gold was doing well today. It kind of double top connect, right? I mean, keep saying that. Sorry, man. I'm kind of out of it. All right, ran up, hit a 100% retrace. That February 24th high. Pulled back and just created a kind of a spinning top. So it could go either way. I think whatever the stock market does, just flip it over, man. Dude, holy crap. It's like the stock market, man. He looks at XA, B, CD stuff, right? I mean, it's like inversing. It is playing a proper hedge against the stock market. So I guess it would probably depend on Monday's price action for equities. Real talk.
Look here! Look, listen!
To make sure everyone's awake. Good Lord. So thanks for the 500 people tuned in. you're enjoying the live stream, the like button, the bell, that sub, of course, if you want. Let me do something real quick. Saving changes. What was my max bench back when I was at Bama? Did like 19 reps of 225, and that equated to like 365. Because you don't like do 365. That's terrible on your body. So you can only do repetitions. Reps, whatever. What's up, Banana Farts? Thanks for the follow on Twitch. Problem is, though, when you can lift that, you can barely move, dude. You have no mobility, you get slower, you're just like a freaking refrigerator walking around. So, I don't know, man. But that was peak times. Don't think I'll ever get there again. I mean, I might if I'll try it, I guess. Maybe not. Volatile, I don't know, man. Probably. But, like, the news isn't going to be like, yeah, dude, it's all good now. Coronavirus is cured. No one has it anymore. People are still going to have it. People are still going to keep contracting it, even if a cure happens. And so it's just continuously replicating. And I hear it's mutating now, becoming more, the contagion level is higher or something. Yeah, Ethereum doing things. It sure is. If you were here last night, you get it, man. Oh, you missing the night stream? Well, I'm sorry, because we have a rising three valleys bullish pattern here with a measure move at $259. Oh, don't you love how this symmetrical triangle broke out bearishly and was off? I mean, it almost hit the measure move like perfectly. It was off by like a couple bucks. Get rid of that. It's confusing, I guess, some people. But look, man. We'll see you up 258, 70. That's it. Dang it, dude. Thank you for the $7 of freaking chain link. I don't know why OneUpCoin is like not working right now with I don't know. It's just the OneUpCoin's bugging out. Let me see if I can do something. This is an issue. All right, 91.51 on Bitcoin. Remember, 91.50 is a certain pretty major resistance. You break that, we could see a $100 plus move. All right, maybe we'll get the Weekend Warrior stuff. Oh my God, isn't verified? I don't give a. Let me do a test alert. Something went wrong. Yeah, it's like there's something wrong. Look. Send test alert. Yes. Boom, something's wrong. So, tipping crypto right now is disabled, I guess. I can't do anything about it. I'll disconnect my alert platform. Whoa, yeah, look at this. I'm getting this stuff. That's their servers down. Like, they're having issues, man. I'm reauthorizing, whatever. Try one more time. Yeah, it's them, dude. They got problems. Sorry, crypto tippers. Coronavirus section in our Discord. It's a meme. That's our general chat, dude. Corona apocalypse. Whatever. We just renamed it. Because people are just talking about it all day. That's all it is. DDoS all the way, Marco? Is that what happened? 242.39. All right. Ethereum on the move. Highest prices Ethereum seen since February 26th. Nah, I mean, you can tip me fiat Nexus and it's still okay. But whatever. Who was it? Who tipped me in Tezos? Or Link. Who tipped me in Link, man? Show yourself. So I can give recognition at least. Ethereum's trash, not doing anything. Not doing anything, by the way. Not doing anything, by the way. Okay, dude. Yeah, I mean, you must be new here, because Ethereum certainly did things. Where from its bottom to its highest point, 150% gains in 7 weeks or so.
Bruh.
Had a good week trading. Kings for education.
Cheers, Spencer, man. Congratulations. Yeah, what a wild one, dude. And the best may be yet to come for crypto. No joke. Thank you, dude. 1337. Leet. So, in this uptrend, you sold off, I can't remember, was it 38% of the way? Close to a 38% retrace, and now you formed this bullish pattern, which is clear, classic accumulation. And now you've broken the confirmation line. And if Bitcoin stays just normal, this could continue to run. That you realize this is at its highest point right now of the day, 243. It's kind of running right now. And it even gave us the luxury of a back test of that confirmation line that was once a resistance, became support. So 242, 243.01 right now. Can I post a picture of my Bitcoin QR? I've got I think my Bitcoin address is on mitchraeta.com. You just scroll down and you'll see it. It says Bitcoin address, and it's just the deposit for it. Let me open this from Crypto Cocktail Chris, the gift from he got. So hold on. Sorry. What is this? I'm gonna open this first, the letter. Chester's Cherries, the cocktail cherry king. Huh. Okay. What's going on here? Thanks, Mitch. Thanks for all the TA education. Enjoy these cocktail cherries on us, Crypto Cocktail Chris. Chester's Cherry Manhattan. Whoa, it's a recipe for a drink. All right. And then you got the, their logo. Pretty cool logo. I like the trees stuff. Chester's Cherries. Cocktail Cherry. Kang. You misspelled Kang, dude. Here's the. That's too small a font, I guess, for the. I guess my Brio, my webcam needs reading glasses. Sorry, man, it's not focusing on that. So it's like in a red bag. Oh my god, dude. Oh man. Hype. Here they are. Chat, here it is. Alright. Thank you. Thank you if you're out there. I don't know if you're watching right now, so figure it out. All right, so 243.43. Ethereum's continuing to climb like the Jesus man. Up 6.57% today. Definitely the top gainer of the big ones, for sure. So I think this one would, based on its performance, I think it would probably be the highest probability of hitting its target, its measured move, all right? Webcam is farsighted. Yes, sir. Yeah, and be sure to join the Discord. I mean, our Discord is so poppin', dude. I mean, it's like always 24/7 activity in the general chat. So if you want to be somewhere with a bunch of like-minded individuals that care about trading, stocks, crypto, technical analysis, you name it, Coronavirus Connect, join the Discord. It's in your best interest, and you'll get notified when I go live, so you won't ever miss a stream. MG, you tipped me 1.5 link. You want to look at VeChain to BTC? Thanks, man. Oh my god, look how the volume, it's like Pundy Coin again. So it didn't really play out yet. So kind of like double bottoming somewhat, I guess. From that high to low. Let's go to the daily real quick. Aha. Still okay. Still okay on, you know, off the 200-day moving average, some hidden bullish divergence, some bullish convergence, I guess, on the RSI. I mean, you got to do something, man. Like, come on. This is the daily. So these candles, you haven't moved much. So you better get a rally soon and run up to that 83 sat neckline and then break it. And 100% measured move of the potential double bottom pattern is 105 satoshis. So still in play, but come on, dude. Do something. Poking it with a stick. Thanks, Chris, man. Cheers. What's up, Daniel? Coming in from Switzerland. It's a little late over there, man, but I know it's the weekend, so I know people want to know about, you know.
Is that a joint?
The markets.
Last night was fun. Just finished watching. It's awesome as a community. We can learn and have a great time, at the same time. Do me a favor and say hi to my girl, Rebecca. I drive her nuts with all this.
What was that last part about Rebecca? Hey, Rebecca. How are you doing? You drive her nuts with all this, J-Mode man? Well, I'm sorry, Rebecca. That might be my fault, okay? So, good stuff, J-Mode man. Hold on to her. Look, it's just a Friday stream. We're just hanging out. It's, you know, not anything crazy. It's not like last night, and it's not like, you know, a Monday or Tuesday stream that we were getting with just the insane pumps and dumps on the stock market. It's time to chill out a little bit and relax. Yeah, VeChain might be doing things. Not yet. All right, not yet. Mysteries abound. But if we want to, yeah, I would never. No, I'm not going to look at Pundy Coin. No, never. Screw Pundy Coin. No. But we'll look at Zcash. Zcash. Interesting, right?
ETH dev meeting was filled with drama as the change in mining algorithm was discussed. It's a huge dramatic situation. Things got heated and a 1-hour dev call turned into a 2 hours discussion in the last hour arguing, which spilled into the dev chat. So much D.
So much D.
Oh, it feels so good!
Well, Nefarious technology, one thing we know is people in crypto know how to argue, you know, and they don't balk. So thanks, man, Nefarious, for the leap. Neo in the jar. Fortunately, we're not looking at Neo, we're looking at Zcash. And what is this pattern, chat? What's happening right now? Can somebody tell me what's going on?
Bruh.
Anyone at all want to tell me your opinion on when I plot Zcash this way? What are your thoughts? What are your emotions? What are you feeling right now in your heart, in your soul, on Zcash? You can't ban Bitcoin? That's correct. Yeah, I'm just waiting to hear opinions on Zcash now because I think it's very pretty. And it invokes feelings of bullishness. How in the world could that be a descending triangle, dude? There you go, dude. Finally getting some feedback on the Zcash. Yeah, I'm gonna go to Japan. Yeah. Even though the Olympics are probably gonna get canceled. If they get canceled, not even gonna be mad because I've never been to Japan. And I do love Japanese culture. I think it's pretty freaking cool. Special, different, unique, ancient. Yup. So let's go, dudes. Let's see, $62 is your first target of the potential trade setup. Secondary target, 65.27, the 50%, the 618 from the high to low of the structure. Those are your common profit-taking levels on traditional markets, traditional assets. Okay. Great. Here's Monero, the most powerful privacy coin that exists on the planet. Super fungible, yeah. But no breakout, not yet. Still looks okay, right? Momentum kind of shifting a little bit. 71 bucks, gotta break that, right? That was a pretty critical area. We've regarded as support resistance. I mean, you break 71.86, you will go to 75 bucks, probably really fast. So just take heed of that. There is no breakout on this yet, but it's looking similar to Bitcoin, looking similar to other altcoins. There was certainly some bullish divergence before the reversal occurred. If you look at Monero on the 4-hour, on the daily. So look, you're making lower lows, the higher lows, real strength. Now you're making higher lows on price. Now you're making technically higher highs on price. So the breakout point, the supply line, if it goes up straight up, I mean, it's going to be confluent with that horizontal line resistance. And so if we just use Fibonacci to get some targets in case all altcoins began to run because of Bitcoin, well, then we would target for easy 80 bucks and 84 Dalaman. Does that make sense, Chad? So does the US government, Tomcat. Yeah, well, look at Gilead. I love Gilead, man. All right, you got your targets. If this played out, big if, Bitcoin 91.50.85 right now, right at critical areas. Dang it, dude. I wish I had I don't have the song on this soundboard or on the stream deck. I do on my other PC though. My backups on my spaceship, dude. Hey, Wayne Batson, how's it going, dude? Dude, I'm so excited. I want to unveil that so bad. XRP deck, or is it Pundy to XRP is your favorite trading pair? There's no way that even exists, dude. If it, I mean, maybe it does. Oh, God. Everything exists these days. Oh, God, it's real. XRP, no. It's not on, TradingView, dude. Sorry. Yeah, man. These are all kind of proper, Ethereum, Bitcoin, US dollar, and the Yuan. So, nah. Okay, so we can move on and look here. Listen, look. Tron Connect. Already broken out, chat.
Bruh.
At a 236 already. Profit taking levels on this, if it's to play out completely, 2.1 cents and 2.2494 cents. Up there. So something else that could happen is it can just rally. It makes a common retrace from this high to low and then dumps again. Maybe we get a double bottom down here. You know? Always possible. Okay, hey guys, so this is my new set. Keep up. Look here, listen, dude. You know, it was like symmetrical triangle stuff on VeChain to the US dollar. It broke out, even back tested that trend line, and rallied. Not gotten to the measured move, nor has it gotten to the old, you know, confirmation line of the old pattern. Successful trade setup, but still holding on. I mean, you'd think if Bitcoin held on and kept rising and the altcoins were doing it, VeChain could probably do it too, man. Can we look at XRP? Yeah, we can look at everything, dude. The whole world except Pundycoin. What's up, Psychedelic? CryptoLen, yeah. Ethereum still rising like the Jesus man, 7.9% at its highest high of the day. Chat, Ethereum pumping on a Friday. We'll see at 258.72 most likely, alright? Just give it time. What's that about Ethereum being trash? I mean, like, I don't really care about the project of Ethereum. I mean, not really. I mean, cool, dude. But, I'm just not... I like the charts. I'm a chart guy. And on the charts, it's pretty awesome looking. It was awesome. I mean, what a rally, dude. So anyway, yeah, we can go to XRP. That is only up 2% today. It's kind of, I mean, it's above entry and all that. It's good now. I mean, you've appreciated it in value, I guess. But, you know, you broke out. And I really want to see, you know, this 20, where we are now. Hold on, my music's too loud. Oh man, that sucks, dude. I can't get it right. Jesus, dude. It's so stupid. It's like, we're talking nanometers. You move it a certain nanometer's too quiet. Dude, another nanometer's too loud. Okay, so the target in time for XRP, if it's to play out, would truly be 28.5 cents and 29.943 cents. Way up here. It's a long way to go. And we are just falling wedge XRP hobbits. Okay. Lurk here, listen. There you go, Wayne, dude. It's going. That is fantastic, man. I think everyone's gonna freaking love it. I just can't wait to implement it, because no one's ever done that before either. What we be doing? Attacking the ship actually means something now? Oh my god. Alright, you get it. That's XRP. It's fine. It broke its miniature contraction after it broke the wedge. You see it all the time. Falling wedge into contraction to a breakout to the upside. Kings. What's up, kind of pun? Thanks, dude. Oh my god, man. Join the Discord. Or else. Because that's where the conversation keeps going when the stream ends. You don't want to miss it, dude. I'm telling you. Our general chat is stupid active. It's so good. It's really like more active than it's ever been. And that's saying something, dude. It's, I think, more active than it was during like June of last year, which is nuts. Just accumulation of people, I think. Alan, yeah, it was like $6 trillion were wiped off the whole market cap of the stock market, dude. 6 trillion, Alan. Yeah, Brad, that's gonna happen. It will happen. What's up now? And now you fall? Wow, what a freaking avatar, dude. God, ridiculous. Chili pot pie, that sounds pretty good. Cornbread crust. Let's go. Oh yeah, you wanna see the gold pull? I mean, okay. Here you go. This is the February 23rd. This was posted. 56% of y'all thought Bitcoin would be at 20K before gold. Me and 118 other people picked gold 2,000 before Bitcoin's 20K. It seems like gold's winning for sure right now on this. Let me see. If you want to vote, I guess, I don't know, man, if you should be allowed to vote in this anymore. Because now it's like people are just going to bet on gold, you know, because it's so much clearer now because it was before gold exploded to the upside. Crude oil's tanking. Yeah, let's take a gander. It's destroyed, man. I mean, obliterated. And it makes sense, right? Russia told OPEC to F off today. They're not cutting supply. OPEC made their own beds and they have to sleep in it now, alright? But they are reaping what they sowed. Here it is. You have exceeded a 1618 fib extension. You fall into levels lower than December 2018. Oil has not seen these levels since August of 2016. Almost 4 years. And what did we say? Looking at this yesterday, 38.87. If you can't hold this 42 area. All right, we'll see you down here in time. I mean, the fundamentals, why would it stop, you know? I mean, yeah, divergence still exists, but fundamentals, man. Like, hey, the fact that there's too much oil, too much supply, and a large, you know, oil producer, right? Russia themselves, they're not going to cut supply. OPEC's trying to cut to make this selling stop, but it's not, probably. Devastated. Iran stuff, Iran baiting the US, it failed, so oil fails too. Good. Negative momentum could continue to build on lower prices. Oil tanking, I mean, like, dude, I had read that somewhere in Georgia, like, gas prices are like less than $2 per gallon now. Yeah, it's Mariah Carey, the M, that's her logo, right? The Mariah Carey pattern, capo. Go back to Ethereum. I think it's pulling back some. I mean, just a little bit. That's okay. We got about 15 minutes until your daily candle close is. Barely 166 billion. Yeah, I know, man. So barely 166 billion equals more than half the crypto market, right? Mac, oh my god, I'm in the chat, let's go!
Is that a joint?
Bruh.
Dude, Mac, welcome. Thank you so much, man, for the supporting the team.
What are your thoughts on the Fed cutting rates again recently? I saw an article on CNBC today about another possible rate cut this month. Thanks, man.
It is a form of panic, James Skinner. Form of panic, that's it. It was probably, President Trump said, hey, they put pressure on Jerome Powell. It's like, and the Fed, and it's like, you need to cut the rates. We need this market expansion to continue for the legacy of my presidency. Trump has gone all in. He has literally, like, over-leveraged on the stock market. I mean, that's it. Like, you get a real crash, it's going to be real bad for him. It's going to make him, history, it's going to make him look so bad. you know, we look 10 years down the road and like the major crash recession happens during his presidency, and it's like everyone knows he's like pressuring the Fed to keep cutting rates to make sure that we keep this market really high and continue to climb, right? Just manipulate the crap out of it. So yes, I think that the rate cuts are going to happen the 18th of March, the next meeting, Fed meeting, 25 basis points. And there is a chance, like not even kidding, there's a chance that Jerome Powell could cut rates again by 50 basis points. Some analysts think that that's going to happen. So one whole basis, 100 basis points in less than a month. That is serious, dude. And don't even ask me about negative interest rates because it doesn't even make sense. Like, I think it'd be the destruction of our system. I think there'd be a revolution, dude, if the U.S. went negative interest rates. It's fine in Germany, dude, I guess, because they're whatever, you know. I don't even get it. It's like inverse. It makes inverse sense. You're gonna charge people to park their money at in your place, right? That's crazy, dude. It's not gonna happen in the U.S., I don't think, because it would be complete and utter destruction. All in Bitcoin, all in gold, right? It's just this interest rates getting cut is finally, you know, when you cut interest rates, it weakens the dollar. But what was happening is we kept cutting rates and the US dollar just kept climbing. Now it's finally catching up, right? And we can look at the DXY. Destroyed. I mean, obliterated. You know, whatever. It's at its lowest point since June of 2019. It has truly fallen out of this pretty large channel, and the way we're cutting basis points, it could keep dumping, man. This is good for other, you know, countries because they're correlated to the U.S. dollar, the world reserve currency, so they're able to kind of rebound from this dump. I mean, because like the Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, just been killed, dude. Eviscerated, lost so much value.
Is that a joint?
Mitch, I don't know what's going on in your personal life, but you're looking good, baby boy. Looking lean. Looking happy. Looking healthy. Looking like a king stud. Thanks for doing what you do. Happy Friday.
Jeez, Joe M. Trying to make me blush, man? Thanks, dude, for the very kind words and the 420 contribution. Thanks for being here and the support. I just exercise, man, every day.
Mitch, is Tilray going to zero? I'm getting wrecked.
It's not just Tilray, dude. It's like CGC, it's everything. I mean, that's a speculative market on the stock market that's been getting wrecked. I don't know about zero, but wow. Just when you thought it couldn't get worse, it did get much worse. Yeah. It's funny, right? It's like you had a wedge, you kind of broke out, but it kind of just reminds me of S coins, right? S coins, dude. All-time lows. Let's what can we do here? With fib extensions, we can't use that. So we're probably at the 1618 fib extension. Oh my god, dude. We're right at, we touch it, you know, 1618. There you are. The golden mean ratio. I mean, you're capitulating. There is no support looking left. So blue sky breakout to the downside. But this is a good potential reversal area. $10 on the dot. Psychological support. Confluent with the golden mean ratio. I don't know if it's going to reverse. If it does, it's not going to be because of bullish divergence or anything. You got bearish convergence. It's ugly, man. Real ugly. So maybe you bounce just because of those reasons, but it's not an argument to be going long here. Okay. Devastated. Dominated. Oh, gross. Sorry, man. Yeah, it's like an S coin, dude. Bitcoin pair. Late 2018. Simple minded, possibly, man. It's very, very possible. Bitcoin 91.53 with less than 9 minutes to go on our daily candle. looking pretty strong. It looks like some sort of bullish consolidation after breaking out, but now it's just absorbing sellers at this 9150 area. So that means that if you can really get all these sell orders bought up, 93.29 real fast if it does truly break. And it could be this weekend. I don't know. Well, Neo, man, I'm looking at Neo. Yeah, this is the weird thing about Neo, dude. Let me show you. It's so contradictory. It's like, okay, you've broken out of a downtrend, right? You broke it, but you're forming like a rising wedge, bearish consolidation pattern, really controlled looking, and you haven't had negative momentum on the 4 hours since February 27th. It's just like kind of giving mixed signals. And I know like a few of them are doing this where it's like breakout, but maybe bearish consolidation too. But the thing is, I mean, like from that previous low to high, it was like a almost 100% retrace. So it might be like, okay, the trend's bullish. It could just continue floating on up and then just break to the upside and hit 1345. I think that'd be the target if crypto keeps climbing. 1345, look, resistance area. Hey, that sell wall. Or sorry, that buy wall with the distribution played out brilliantly, didn't it? I think a measured move probably got hit. That definitely. Yeah. What else saying? There's a graphite on the roof, huh? We'll absorb them, man. Yeah, like Trapper Keeper. Spamming the disc. Oh, sorry, no, that's the wrong thing. Stefan, man, I guess you just decide to not watch the stream like all week and decide to show up after it's already kind of broken out. Gold's going to win the poll. I agree. I think that's what I voted on February 23rd when we initially posted it. I didn't mean to repost it though. Like, I mean, voting on it now kind of doesn't make sense because this was before gold broke to the upside kind of violently like it did. So, that's right, Julia. Not great, not terrible. No, Alan, it would not probably. Okay. Ethereum Classic, I don't know, man. I haven't really looked at it. Because this is the one that just was so nuts. And it's just on the down and down now. I don't know. I mean, I get it. How would we anchor it, though? It's so weird looking. Maybe if you anchor it from the top to this low here, then yeah, you've broken out. Right, like that. Yeah, it's a breakout. It's like a wedge too, kind of. Oh, what I really like though about the price action here is, look, Ethereum Classic, this 762 to 777 area, super critical. All right, we fell below it. Oh no, we could be screwed. But then the fall through price action was terrible. So sellers relented, buyers took over and broke back above the ice line. And now the spring, right? This is the spring. You back tested the spring as support, and look at this effing bullish hammer right there. You got to be kidding me. So if it's to truly play, I think the next target would be like 932. I mean, that's your next major resistance. You could use Fibonacci too in this situation. But you don't, I think at this point, the threshold, you just don't want to be messing around with Ethereum Classic below 760, 750. That's where you say, I wash my hands of this and I'm done. I'm out. Right? Because that is how, we know how important this 777, 7062 area is, right? So that's the stop out point. So if it's to run though, again, you'd run up and see 932. If you broke that, then eventually we'd see $10.11. 50%, and the 618's 1080. 1080 Ti Kappa. Hello? 3 minutes, chat. Just running out the clock. Whew. Thanks for the 775 people tuned in. If you're out there and you're lurking, say something. Say stuff. If you hadn't said anything in the stream, in the live chat, do it now. Prove to me you're there. Do it if you love me, man. Alright? Just do it. BNB altcoin doing what everything else is doing, kind of like breaking out of these little moves down. They've retraced 38%, and they're trying to rally, right? And everything hangs in the balance with Bitcoin, right? Well. That's what I'm talking. See, this is the way chat should be innately. Like, no matter what, it should just be like this, okay? At all times. Lurkers. Can we get, like, emoji spam, like random emotes? Let's go, dude. This is the way the chat should be when we got 775 people watching, dude. All right. Thank y'all for showing up and saying hi, because I do appreciate y'all. But I know that this is definitely a lurker stream. You know, it's not like a Twitch stream. It's not like, you know, a Rudy Poo stream. I know people are trying to intently listen, so when you're listening, it's, you know, it's distracting for you to be typing, right? So there we go. Keep the chat going, dude. Yes, keep the chat rolling. Oh my god, this is amazing. I love it, man. 9150. Hey, let's keep it going because we have less than 2 minutes until the daily close. With Bitcoin at a critical resistance, if it breaks it, it could go to 93.29 real fast. Wouldn't you like that?
Bruh.
Type in the chat. Okay, let's go to Bitcoin. Old Bitcoin, 91.58. Might be closing strong with 1 minute to go. That's what I'm talking about, dude. Yes. Y'all making me so happy right now. I'm so proud. I mean, this is literally how it should always be, man. Wow. Dude, this is so cool. All right. 45 seconds. Running out of the clock. Spam. We have to spam until the new day. That's like how it must be. And I know, like, sometimes when the spamming like that happens, there's always that one guy that'll type and be like, there's too much spam in the chat, man. Too many people typing. It's like, stop being a buzzkill, man. Y'all know what I'm talking about. 15 seconds, and we could be kings. 10 seconds. This is amazing. I hate how, like, a lot of the emotes are like, you have to manually show it because it's getting hidden. All right, Chad. All right, it is a new day is upon us. A new day is upon us, man. I've been the Chad. We did close confirmed above 91.50. We did that yesterday. Let's see if we're even stronger today.
Bruh.
Chat on steroids, man. Oh, I love the fishes. That's what I'm talking about, man. Mods, wrenches, and overtime trying to spam show on everything. It's very quiet in here. Yeah, I agree, man. Too much spam, man. Can't believe y'all. Why would Mitch want chat to be spammed? Are you kidding me, dude? Spam in the chat is the best. I just wish we could do it naturally more often. It's okay. Let the corn pump, 9163. You know. Out the gate. How is Tesla's up 2.5% already? How is Tron Connect up 2.5% on the new day? It just started 1 minute ago. What's going on? Tron Connect, breakout, targets above, if it's truly to rise. Stop it all, jeez. See, I don't understand why people are upset about the spam. How could you be mad, dude? Just let it be. Sorry, let me turn off the Jesus beams. It's still going, man. It's so amazing. No, Renee, that's not how it works. That was a one-time thing that got resolved. It's not happened once ever since. So I know you're talking about, but it's not a thing to be worried about. Oh no, it's slowing down. That's okay, man. I mean, just grateful for the time we had it, okay? Bearish divergence on the spamming. Yeah, it's looking like it, dude. It's dying down. Too much fun in here. All right, so ZRX. Oh, is log scale?
Gentlemen.
I guess I was looking at log scale, but this is broken out. Truly, look, from the high point to low point, it's already hit a 50% retrace. But you know, ZRX kind of looks like impulse up, and maybe it's trying to consolidate a little bit before running again. Maybe Zcash is a beautiful little bump and run breakout. Oh, nice. Little alien space invaders. Amazing, dude. Wait. No need to be timing people out. Why? Let them spam. Let people spam. All right? Chill on the hiding or, you know, timing out. Spammer exhaustion re. My heart is very full right now. With Bitcoin, bleh. Just having trouble, man. 9150 is the problem area, but we've known this. That's like a flag, man. Yeah, it's kind of like a flag. So if it did break 28.75 cents, which it hasn't yet, the next target would be 30 cents, 30.36 cents, a golden retrace. That's it. It's simple. So looking back at Linkman, Lincoln log. Look, you want to talk about a bull flag? Jeez. You see this consolidation? I mean, it may fail, but it looks real pretty. In a way, doesn't it? Impulse up. At all-time high resistance, but it just looks nice. Nice. Too much spamming, man. No, I don't think so. Brad, what happened, dude? Oh, I get it. Dude, don't hide him for that. I mean, I get it. It's bad, but, you know. It's not like... That was like the one time he's ever said something, and, you know. Don't talk crap to the mods, dude. Okay? Don't do it, chat. Ethereum's a beast? Not right now. I mean, yeah, it's nice, but it hasn't done anything on the new day. Right? And it's pulling back because it was a Bitcoin. Wow. So surprising, right? That it just... But you got to know, from the high point to low point, it has now hit a 50% retrace, which is from the low point, I mean, that is a reversal area. It could happen. But you're hoping maybe just not by much. You're back above the 200 moving average. Truly for the first time since like February 26th on Ethereum. Moon Kappas. Jeez, man. I can't even believe it. I feel loved, man. The more spam, the more love I feel. Okay. So here we are again. Old Bitcoin. Remember the thing about the 4 hour that we talked about last night at the very beginning of the stream. We haven't seen any negative momentum on the 4 hour for Bitcoin since February 28th. And that's the only thing that's kind of concerning. All right, look. Dude, you got to go back to like the bottom. It's just been all positive momentum. When is it going to go red, you know? Just been too long. And the divergence is real. It's still there. I mean, right? The bearish divergence still exists. So getting over euphoric here, you got to understand there is resistance and there is divergence. And we haven't seen negative momentum in a good while. So Just get it, man. If you can't break 91.50, you're coming back down to 89.75. You can't hold 89.75, you're going down to 86.50. Can't hold 86.50, you're coming down to 8,500. Boom. Dang, man, we've been live for an hour and 6 minutes. If you're enjoying the live stream, hit that like button, that bell, that sub. And thanks so much for the 811 people tuned in. Y'all amazing. Be sure to join the Discord. You love the auto-tune voice? Yeah, we seldom do it, but we could for a second. Are you talking about this voice, chat? Can you hear me, man? Oh my god. We're doing things. Bitcoin's doing things. You gotta break 91.50 resoundingly. You can't just crap around here like this. You gotta bust it, or you will be coming back down. Ethereum, I get it. It broke the upside, but not right now. Like, nothing's really up right now because the new day just started. When delisting Ace G, what does this mean? Yeah, he just gets liquidated. Every time he gets liquidated, he gets delisted from some exchange somewhere. Who are you people? All right, that's cool. Was it good? I can't hear it. I can't hear myself, you know, so it's tougher for me to even know what I sound like. Activate the corn. Not yet, dude. So the thing is, I have to come back tonight or tomorrow night for, you know, because like, remember I talked about at the beginning of the stream, episode 888, we're trying to make it on the 8th, on 80s day. So episode 888, March 8th. Which is 80. I mean, that's just too much, man. That's too many eights. That's so many eights that I think if we do it that way, there will be so much residual good luck that everyone in here will have good things happen to them. And you don't even have to do anything. It's just going to happen to you. It's the way the universe works, okay? What's up, Burger Man? Keep the auto-tune on. Is it really? I mean, you can't even probably understand me, can you? I mean, what does it sound like? Does it sound... Hold on, let me put on... Hear my voice. What do I sound like? Oh my god, there's so many corns in the chat. Alright, whatever. Okay, now I understand what it sounds like. Okay, we're good now. Whoa. We did autotune again, Nick. It's done. I already read your mind before you could even type that. You'll see, dude. Calm down with the spam. If you're a mod and you're spamming the same sentence over and over, you're gonna lose your wrench, Nick. Come on, dude. That's too much, man. Dude, that's when we might have to do that just for the sake of making an example out of you, okay? We had to put you in the gulags in the middle of the street. Don't do what Nick did. He's got the dunce hat in the corner. Dollar to the moon? You must be from 2 years ago, 3 years ago. Because not so much these days. Dude, rate cuts in reality should tank the US dollar, but they just haven't. Just like when the treasury yields dump like they do, the stock market should follow it. And the stock market's finally been following. Like, it's just so delayed. I should probably never turn off auto-tune. Yeah? Let's focus on the charts. Dude, we've looked at so many things today. I don't understand. Like, you only would probably be complaining about technical analysis if you're late. And that's when you can just rewind the stream to watch, you know? No, look, there's something, all right, spamming emotes because I'm sanctioning it and letting it be a thing is one thing, emotes, but just spam play auto-tune over and over and over and you have a wrench, can't do that. I mean, that's not the same thing. It's not in good taste. All right. Yeah, we looked at Link just recently. Yeah. Can you adjust the top trend line to produce more touch points? I don't know if I'll want to. Dude, this is it, man. I mean, yeah, you can make it to where it's this and this, where you have just another trend line like 1 and 2. Okay, sure. But does it really matter if you don't break 9150? Not really. I mean, sure, there might be resistance there, but look, dude, that's the top. So no, it's not going to give you more touches. No, you'll still have to this way or that way. So you just need a Casio keyboard, drum and beat, talk with autotune on. Yeah, dude, it'd be like T-Pain Connect. What does it go back 10 minutes? Plunge protection team will be helpless soon. Yeah, very possible. Nexus, it's okay, man. Look, I think that some people were just getting timed out because they were scared. All right, they were like, too many emotes. I can't believe this. Oh my God, PO9's talking right now in Corona chat. He said, first of all, the option never ended up working out, even with the last minute rally. And secondly, I did not abandon the group over a bad trade. Excellent. Excellent, PO9. You're a legend, dude. Oh, you tipped in crypto? There's a bug going on right now. I don't even see... I should get a notification in Coinbase, but I didn't yet. So, yeah. You just donated $26 via Ethereum. Crypto didn't show up. Hunter, man, I'm sorry, dude. Like, look, I'll show you what's happening. I tried to investigate it earlier. And it's like, it's just their server's messed up right now. I have to use a third party for it to show up. Let's see if it's still bugged. Let's see here.
Dayayuam. Sorry about that, fam. I don't want to sell you dad sticks. I want to go home and rethink my life.
Okay, it's the robot. Oh my god, man. Robot vagina. Annie out there, nuggets. Thanks for the 3s. It's okay. We forgive you. It's all good, dude. I mean, in the heat of the moment, things happen, right? We get. I'm confused about this website. Look, man. Oh my god, dude. Whoa. Whoa, dude. They're playing League of Legends. Sorry, I don't understand why I'm here and it's like... Let me go to my dashboard. Alright, moment of truth. This is what we're dealing with right now for people trying to tip in crypto. Send a test alert. Something went wrong. There's something going on with their server or something. Let me disconnect my Coinbase account and reconnect it. See, like, look what's happening when I'm doing things. This is appearing. So, OneUpCoin host error. Their servers are messed up, it seems. God, man. Yeah, I think the website caught coronavirus. But dude, if you tip me in 25 bucks of crypto, let me check real quick. If you did, I didn't receive it. You have not tipped me 25 bucks of crypto. Sorry, dude. Because it would already been here. Carl, no one cares about your terrible opinion, and we're just messing around. I'm sorry you're so much of a loser that and your life sucks so bad that you get triggered by me playing a voice changer for like 10 seconds, you're an idiot, dude. And no one cares about your trash opinion. Be banned forever. Stop watching the stream too. I prefer you never watch again, okay? Thanks. Jesus, dude. Freaking incels, these simps. Got bad problems with their emotions. They can't help it, dude. Oh my god, he played an auto-tune, man, for 10 seconds. That's them, like, just seething. Good lord. Go to eat. Lurk mode activated. Fantastic. Imagine how low an IQ you must have to be so triggered by something that's not even offensive. Like, we didn't talk about politics, right? We're not talking about religion. We just played an auto-tune and someone literally blows a gasket, dude. Jeez. You still came back after to trash your favorite S-Coin, Matic? Dude, we've been looking at Matic and we've been talking about it, accumulation, higher lows. We even gave targets on it. Who cares if it's a trash coin? If it's looking like it's going higher, I mean, we're still gonna, if we analyze it, I mean, I'm gonna look at it like it's nothing. Like there's no, ticker on it. It's just a random asset on a chart. Oh yeah, Lee boy. What you gonna do about it, buddy? You're not gonna do anything. Bye. People, you entitled to watch this stream and like, what do you want me to do, man? Oh, I piss you off by doing something? Okay, man. Go do something else with your Friday then, instead of watching me. My God. You know what? I'll make it easy on y'all. Real easy for everybody. I'll be back, maybe tonight. If not tonight, tomorrow night for sure. So we can line up the 8s. But Bitcoin 9130, just understand there is some bearish divergence. You've had positive momentum for kind of too long without any negative momentum. If we don't break 9150 soon, you're probably going to lower prices, right? You got to break this. You break it 9320 real fast. If you break 9320, you're probably going to see 9500, which is an overhead historical resistance, all right? So, we looked at gold, looked at the stock market, looked at a lot of stuff today. Promising. Dude, there it is. Wow. The $26.80 of Ethereum has just now literally arrived. Thank you, man. Good God, I know, Brad. It's ridiculous. It's like invite spam and people with violent personalities show up. Jesus. So again, I'll be back sometime. I'll take it easy on you, right? I mean, clearly people just can't handle it. So thank you for the likes, love, support. Mac, thanks for joining the Patreon. And we are at 186 patrons now. Jeez, man. 4 more to 190. All right. What's going on? So laggy. All right. Until next time. Respect the TA.
Yeah. Bruh.
Neon lights are flashing, bass kicking me in my Thanks, Mark, man.
You can feel it underneath. Be the one you wanna be. Living out your fantasy. You don't know what you might see. Come on down, yeah, yeah. We going underground, yeah, deeper down, underground. I'm going deeper, 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 underground. Come on, baby. We going underground, deeper down, underground. Come on, baby, I'm going deeper, deeper, deeper. Underground. You can feel it underneath. Be the one you wanna be. Living out your fantasy. You don't know what you might see. Come on down, yeah. Yeah. I'm going deeper, 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 underground. Yeah.
is JP. I am a robot. I like robots. I have a robot vagina.
Adios, turd nuggets.